Welcome, everyone, to today's episode. If you're thinking about starting a startup in Dubai but don't know where to begin, this episode is for you. I'm joined by Mohammed Shabazz Khan, an expert in business setup and startup strategy. Thank you for being here.
Thank you for having me. I'm excited to be here. Dubai is one of the most exciting places right now to launch a startup. It offers a strong, investor-friendly ecosystem, global market access, and solid government support, making it especially attractive for beginners.
Great. Let's start from the basics. Why should beginners consider Dubai for launching their startup?
Dubai offers tax advantages, world-class infrastructure, access to global markets, and strong government support for entrepreneurs. It's especially attractive for tech, e-commerce, fintech, real estate, and digital services businesses.
What is the first practical step someone should take?
Step one is clarity. Define your business idea, validate your market, and identify your target audience. Conduct basic market research to ensure demand exists before investing money.
After validation, what comes next?
Choosing the right business structure. In Dubai, you can set up in mainland, free zone, or offshore. Free zones are popular for startups because they offer 100% foreign ownership and simplified processes.
What about licensing?
You must select the correct business activity and obtain the appropriate trade license, commercial, professional, or industrial. This determines what activities you can legally perform.
What are common mistakes beginners make?
Beginners make these three major mistakes. 1. Not budgeting correctly for setup and operational costs. 2. Ignoring compliance requirements like visas and renewals. 3. Launching without a clear marketing strategy.
Speaking of budgeting, how much should someone realistically plan?
It depends on the license and office requirements, but beginners should allocate funds for licensing, visa costs, office space, marketing, website development, and at least 6 months of operational runway.
How important is networking in Dubai?
Extremely important. Dubai thrives on relationships. Attend business events, join startup communities, and connect on LinkedIn. Partnerships and referrals can accelerate your growth significantly.
What about funding options?
Start with self-funding or bootstrapping. Once you gain traction, you can approach angel investors, venture capital firms, or government-backed startup programs.
Final advice for beginners?
Focus on execution over perfection. Start lean, validate fast, build strong systems, and invest in marketing early. Dubai rewards action takers who stay consistent and compliant.
That's powerful advice. Thank you for sharing your expertise today.
My pleasure. To everyone listening, if you're ready to start, take the first step today. The opportunity is here.